Located in one of the best streets in Berkeley Vale, welcome to the chic 1960s style renovated home just a stone's throw from the beautiful shores of Tuggerah Lake. I'm Paul Hills from the agency. Welcome to number 11 Donegal Road in Berkeley Vale. The current owner has also had plans drawn up for a 2-bedroom granny flat which will complement the current home extremely well and provide the opportunity for a dual income investment. As you can see, this groovy renovation isn't run-of-the-mill, it's going to tick all your boxes. Give me a call for your private inspection, otherwise I'll see you on Saturday for the next open house.